some tea shop is like outside too.
Some guy goes 3 hours outside of the street.
Find yourself some burgers with them.
Ang ganda ng ano dito. One, two.
Jacob, can you take photo of us here?
Tingin ka. Ayan.
I told you.
Dito tayo, para tayo may sari ng ano.
Yan o. Wait, mama. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Ang mga ano nanay. Ginawang kwan eh. Ayan.